Hey guys, this is Mayankpal from Gossipfunda, and in this video I'm going to show you how do you make your songs your ringtone of your iPhone. So as you know, you can change the ringtones of your iPhone, but you may not know that you can make your favorite songs your ringtones of your iPhone. So before we start, we should know a little bit about ringtones. What are ringtones? A ringtone is a sound your phone makes when you have incoming calls on your mobile device. That means when you get calls, when you receive the calls of your iPhone will ring a specific tune so that it can alert you about the calls that you are getting. Specific thing about ringtones in iPhone is that you can pair them up with vibrations and haptic feedback. So let us learn how you can change the ringtones of your iPhone. Go to the settings app of your iPhone. Go to the sounds and haptics tab. You will find a ringtone tab there. Here you can see multiple different ringtones that you can set for your iPhone. If you want more ringtones, then you can go to the tone store of your iPhone. This will take you to the music app where you can change you can download other ringtones, but these are for the paid options. You will have to pay for these tones and you can then set it up from the ringtones option. Now let us check the free alternative method of how you can do this. You will need to go to the app store of your iPhone and download the GarageBand app. Look, this is the GarageBand app. When you download this app, open this app. You will see an interface like this. Hit on continue, then allow it all the settings. Now you can see all the songs that you have or that you want. For creating new sounds, click on the plus icon. Click on this 3 bars option that you have. Then click on this omega signal over here. You will see that all your options are here. Go to the files option, browse to the files app, click whichever song that you want. Then you can add it. You see the 5 seconds of Summer a Teeth has been downloaded. Now you can add it. Let's drag this file over here. Now the audio has been imported. Let's make it a split over here and then delete this file. We will now export this file as my songs. Go to the share options and create a ringtone. Then you will save this as Summer export. Now use the sound as. You can now see the ringtones are now set. Let's go back to the settings app. You will see that the Summer ringtone has been added. For amazing content, subscribe to the Gossipfunda channel and check out the gossipfunda.com for more amazing content. Thank you.
In my grave, to the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need.